How to configure Calendly settings. So first go to Calendly and log into your account. Now after you've logged in, you can just click on your profile here at the top right, and then you can just click on all settings. Now here you can start editing your or configure your settings. So let's say you want to configure your profile, you can just click on this one, and then you want to change your name, your welcome message, your language, so on and so forth. And you can just click on save changes after you're done. So you can also configure your branding, you can add your logo, then you can change your link here as well. As for your communication settings, if you want to turn this off for email notifications, you can do that. Then as for your login preferences, you can change, as you can see, I have my Google account. If you want to unlink it, you can do that as well. If you want to change your Google account, you can do this here. And then if you want to switch to your Microsoft, you can do that. And as for your cookie settings, if you want to disable this ones, you can do that as well. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.